Hello and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. So in today's video, I'll be talking about Meta, which is currently hiring for software engineers, University Grad in Bangalore. This is an on-site opportunity and it's a full-time opportunity. So as you know, Meta offers a handsome salary to their software engineers. So if you are interested to join a company like Meta, then go forward and watch this video till the end to know all about the process. So moving on to the minimum qualifications that they have listed. You need to currently have or be in the process of obtaining a bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or any other relevant technical field, or you need to have equivalent practical experience. Degree must be completed prior to joining Meta. So obviously if you are applying now, you should be at least a batch of 2026. Then only you are eligible to join Meta in this job opening. You should be having an experience in coding in an industry standard language, and they have listed under this Java, JavaScript, Python or C++. It can be others as well. And you must obtain work authorization in the country of employment at the time of hire. So this job opportunity is specifically for Bangalore, India. So definitely you should be authorized to work in India to obtain this job. This is under their minimum qualifications, or these qualifications have to be there. And under their preferred qualifications, they have listed that you should demonstrate software engineering experience from previous internship, work experience, coding competitions or publications. And again, in their preferred qualifications, they have listed that you currently have or are in the process of obtaining a bachelor's or a master's degree in computer science, engineering or any other related field. So in their preferred section, they have included masters as well. So these are all the qualifications that Meta has listed. Now we'll move forward to the hiring process that they follow. So moving forward to their hiring process, they will be going through your resume. So make sure it's ATS friendly and it has all your skill sets and projects, good ones, listed. So after your resume gets shortlisted, you will have to sit for 2 technical interviews, if not more. So in these interviews, each of them, they'll be asking you 2 coding questions. And as for the questions, go through the meta tag lead code questions. They will be really helpful when it comes to meta interviews. So after your technical interviews, you will have to sit for a behavioral round where it won't be so easy, but they'll be asking you situation based questions, questions on how you deal with conflicts and so on. After your behavioral round, if you get through it, you'll have to sit for a follow-up interview, following which you'll be notified that yes, you're selected, and you'll be asked to match your team. Which team suits your skills the most, you'll have to sit and go through their process for that. So this is the entire hiring process that Meta follows. These are rounds that you'll have to sit for. So if you want to get into a company like Meta, then go ahead and apply before the link expires. And I have attached the application link in the description of this video. Go ahead and apply. And if you're liking my content, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I do post quite frequently on companies hiring for job roles, for internship roles, especially for college students who are looking out for these openings. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. See you in my next video.